So like I said, this stuff is the bomb. The bomb. Bomb. Best friend, love it. As my daughter does. I love this stuff. And so I'll take some on the end of the brush and I'll rub it on my hair like this. And I go over this. Now watch the magic happen. Gotta blend that stuff in, you know? Then I take the curling iron one more time and press down. Brush it again. Let's see.
For a limited time at Luna, get 2 rooms for the price of 1. Good on our entire stock of carpet, hardwood, and
alrighty.
free flooring won't last.
Now,
Today at Luna, we work
I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed for church. And this is my final look, so I do have to put the mascara on. And I'm gonna, I really wish I could show you guys how the eyes blend. And you can see all the, you know, the bronze in the middle, the shimmer, the shinier part up here. But just have some regular lip gloss, the Maximum Max. I have so many of them. I just picked one up. And this is like a creamy looking gloss. Look how that looks. Alrighty. It's set. So, seeing how I look in the beginning. Saw how I looked after a little effort. I didn't spend too much time getting my stuff together. I could have done way more to my face. But, this is just a quick look for today. So, thanks for watching, guys. Love you.